Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss one of the most important layout manager, that is grid layout. It is the most simplest layout manager in Tkinter module. So what is basically grid layout manager? It is used to arrange all the widgets in two-dimensional grid-like structure which consists of rows and columns. So if we consider this picture, there are 3 columns and 3 rows. So column number starts with 0, row number starts with 0 also. So first column is column 0, then column 1, column 2, similarly row 0, row 1, row 2. And intersection point of row and column is called a cell. So total there are 9 cells. So first cell is identified by 0, 0 means row 0, column 0. Second cell is identified by 0, 1 means row 0, column 1 in this way. And the last cell, which is row equal to 2, column equal to 1 and column span equal to 2. So it means it is in row number 2, it is in column number 1, second column, and column span 2 means it will merge 2 column, that's why column span equal to 2. So in this way we can merge 2 columns. So there are some arguments which we can use inside the grid layout method. So first argument is row, it represents number of row, then column, it represents total number of column, then row span means how many number of rows we want to merge, column span means how many number of columns we want to merge. Then there is another important option that is called sticky. So sticky means by default a widget is placed at the center position of a cell. So if we want to place any control or widget using grid layout, it will be placed at the center position of the cell. But our requirement is, suppose we want to place this widget in a particular position like south or east or west. For that we can use sticky option. So it supports total 8 values: north, south, east, west, then northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So using this option, basically we can position the widget against one side of the cell. Next argument is pad x. Pad x means external padding horizontally, then pad y external padding vertically, then I pad x internal padding horizontally and internal padding vertically. So according to this picture, there is a widget called OK button, and here the space between the edge of the widget means edge of the button and the edge of the cell is called external padding. So this position is called external padding vertically, and this position is called external padding horizontally. Similarly, the space between the button text and the edge of the button is called internal padding. So this is internal padding horizontally and this space is called internal padding vertically. So as per our requirement we can set these parameters. Now how can we declare or how can we use this grid layout? So normally there are 2 syntax. In first syntax we can write the grid layout syntax in a single line, like v1 equal to tkin dot button, declaring a button, and then dot grid row 0 column 0. It will be placed at first row first column. Or we can write this in two separate lines. In first line we are creating a button, and in second line we are placing this button in first row first column. So both syntaxes are same. Now if we consider this example, in this example there are 4 buttons are used, and these 4 buttons will be placed in grid layout format. So first button is in row 0 column 0, then second button will be placed in row 0 column 1. Similarly, third button will be placed in second row first column, and fourth button will be placed at second row second column. So now I am showing you this example in Python editor. Now as per the previous example, first importing the Tkinter module, and Tkin is the alias name. Next, in the second step, creating the GUI window by calling this tk constructor, then GUI dot geometry, means specifying the width and height of the window. Then in next step, creating all the widgets, v1 equal to tkin dot button, then mentioning all these arguments. So first button row 0 column 1, and specifying the width equal to 10, and specifying background color, suppose yellow. So remaining 3 buttons will be created in same way: button 2, then button 3, button 4. The caption will be changed. Second button row 0 column, it will be column 0. Then second one is row 0 column 1, then row 0 column 2, row 1 column 0, then row 1 column 1. Now placing all these buttons as per the grid layout. So b1 dot grid row equal to 0, column equal to 0. So next button will be placed at row 0 column 1, then third button will be placed at second row first column, and last button, fourth button, will be placed at second row second column. And last step is calling the main loop method. Now if we run this application, So see, there are 4 buttons and these are placed accordingly. First row, first column, first row, second column, then second row, first column, second row, second column. So in this way we can use grid layout manager in Tkinter module. So hope you will like this video. So please subscribe my channel for more videos on Tkinter and other topics, and share this video.